he goes. There he goes. Yeah. 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 Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Fly to the
Kevin's talking to the bird now.
Fly. I almost got you. Goddamn! He's coming towards my face. Don't come near me. Just stay.
He's gonna attack.
Goddamn!
Down, down.
Sting! Sting!
Yeah, he's getting tired. You had him there.
Ah, goddamn. It's too close to the window. Don't want to hurt you.
The Birdman of AHRC.
Alright, he's wound up in there.
Yeah, good. Come on.
safe.
I got the elevator on.
Alright.
Come on. Oh, you let him out.
Oh shit!
Oh, he went
Are
right in
you
the water.
serious?
He went right in the water. The
No,
last
there's
bucket.
there's
It's a
no
brown
bucket.
bucket. All right, so put the basket over the
Which
top
one,
of it.
this one?
Yeah, yeah. So take the whole bucket. Put the thing over the top.
Oh shit. Yeah, bird. Yeah, bird. What's up? What's
That's
the
it.
word now?
Okay. We got the
Yeah.
Birdman of AHRC.
Hit the button, I can't let go. It's freaking me out, man.
Is it?
It's looking at me.
All right, we'll go right to the front door.
Stop looking at me. You did this to yourself. I'm just your captor. I'm just gonna put it outside, kick the bucket over.
Yeah, right in the front door.
Fuck.
I'll let you. Right there. On this side, by the thing, the trees. That's it.
Be free, little one.
There it is. He's gone. All right.
Stay out.
Save a life. Kevin saved a life. Which one is? I got a lot of downtime on there, but whatever.